What happens when your deployment pipeline suddenly fails, but you have no idea why? Today, we are diving into a real DevOps headache, a broken GitHub Actions workflow that fails because a secret is missing. I'll show you how to spot the failure, then use a local AI assistant powered by the Mistral model inside VS Code to quickly debug and fix it. If you want the full source code, stick around till the end and subscribe to the newsletter. Here is the actual error from my GitHub Actions run. This tells us the environment variable API key is empty, meaning the secret is missing or not set. Without this secret, the deploy script can't authenticate, so the pipeline fails immediately. To fix this fast, I am going to use Continue.dev, a local AI assistant running the powerful Mistral model right inside my Visual Studio Code. This means my code and data never leaves my machine, keeping everything private and fast. I'm running my Mistral model using Olama on Docker desktop as a container. If we look at the Continue.dev extension, the integration is like very easy. You can see here on the right side config.yaml. Here you can give your AI assistant, local AI assistant. In my case, I'm giving Mistral 7B. You can add other models as well. For example, if you have the capacity on your computer, so you can add other models as well. But for my use case, I am happy with this particular Mistral 7B model. So I'm using this. Let me show you how I feed the failing workflow YAML and error to the AI and ask for a fix. So this is my deploy.yaml file. If you can see, our pipeline is failing at this particular stage. I'm going to select this particular part of staging and press Ctrl L, which will open a local assistant powered by Continue.dev, and I'm using Mistral 7B model here. I'll try to paste this particular prompt. My GitHub Actions deploy step fails because the secret staging API key is missing. Please suggest a fix to check for the secret and fail early if it's missing. Press enter. I am getting an output from the model. So here's a concise code modification that emphasizes only the necessary changes. Okay. It tried to add one more step, check secret. In this modification, I've added a new step that checks for the secret.staging API key. If it's missing, an error message will be displayed and the workflow will exit with a non-zero status. This will allow GitHub Actions to fail early and prevent further unnecessary steps from running. The rest of your original code remains unchanged. Okay, so I'm going to copy this real quick and let's try to paste it here. Press enter. I'm going to update this syntax. Now I'm going to add check secret step, commit and sync changes. As I review the suggested YAML fix inside VS Code, it's clean, effective and improves the pipeline's robustness. With Continue.dev's inline editing, I apply the fix instantly, avoiding syntax mistakes and speeding up the process. This shows how local AI assistants can make DevOps debugging faster and less painful. Let's jump into our pipeline and let's expand this check secret. Here it clearly mentions staging API secret key is missing. Okay, I'm going to copy this. Now let's go to the settings. Here, secrets and variables, actions, and I will try to add manage environment secrets. New environment, test, configure environment. Let's add environment secret. Here I am going to paste the secret value and staging API key. Add secret. Okay. Now I am going to go back to my pipeline. Now let's update the environment here to test so that our secret is like being picked from that particular environment. I'm going to save this file, add environment test, commit, sync changes. As soon as we sync, our pipeline should start. I'm going to refresh this. Click on details. Looks like our check secret step passed. Deploy to staging. Deployment successful. To get the deploy step working smoothly, remember to add the staging API key secret in your GitHub repository settings. For demos, a dummy key works fine, but for production, you'll want the real key to avoid failures. If you found this video helpful and want the full source code straight to your inbox, make sure to subscribe to the newsletter and hit that subscribe button on my YouTube channel for more DevOps related AI tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.